Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In this video, we are going to discuss about factors definition based on multiplication and factors definition based on divisibility. First, let us look at factors definition based on multiplication. The definition says that factors of a number are integers that multiply together to give that number. Got it? Let us try to understand this definition with examples. Example 1. Here 2 and 4 are integers that multiply together to give 8. So, according to the definition, 2 and 4 are factors of 8. Got it? Example 2. Here 2, 3 and 5 are integers that multiply together to give 30. So, according to the definition, 2, 3 and 5 are factors of 30. Got it? But remember, these are not the only factors of 8 or 30. There are many more. Don't worry, we will discuss how to find all factors of a given number later in this series. No worries, we will discuss about this question later in this chapter. Now, let us move on to factors definition based on divisibility. It says that a factor of a number is any non-zero integer that divides the given number exactly, leaving no remainder. Got it? Now, let us understand this definition with examples. Example 1. Is 2 a factor of 8? Let us check. Condition 1. Is 2 a non-zero integer? Yes, 2 is a non-zero integer. Condition 2. Does 2 divide 8 exactly? Let us check. When we divide 8 by 2, we get 0 as the remainder. So, you can say 2 divides 8 exactly. Therefore, since 2 is a non-zero integer and it divides 8 exactly, according to the definition, 2 is a factor of 8. Got it? Let us move on to example 2. Is 3 a factor of 14? Let us check. Condition 1. Is 3 a non-zero integer? Yes, 3 is a non-zero integer. Condition 2. Does 3 divide 14 exactly? Let us check. When we divide 14 by 3, we get 2 as the remainder. So, you can say 3 does not divide 14 exactly. Got it? Therefore, even though 3 is a non-zero integer, since It does not divide 14 exactly. According to the definition, 3 is not a factor of 14. Got it? Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths. Thank you.